Hello, I want to introduce interesting machines. First, you can see this is the elevator in feeders. You can put the product inside and it will translate into the vibration feeders in here. So this is one feeder and for the products. And this is the second vibration feeders, and this is the third vibration feeders. You will see. Okay, and in here, and the feeder, it will calculate the product number, and it translates into the buckets one by one, and then translate into the elevator to our packing machine. You can see, and this is for the label machines. It can put the label on the bed. And okay, and when the vibration feeder counting is finished, translate into the waiter, and it will go directly into the bed former and the label machine. And at the same time, it put the labels on the bed, on the packaging field, and in here, it will choose during the bed